Hey everyone, and you are in the right place because today I'm going to show you how to add friends on Duolingo. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you want to connect with friends to boost your language experience, here's how. So first of all, open your Duolingo app, and after that, go to your profile section. And as you can see, we have here add friend. So just tap on it. So you can use a search bar to find your friends by their name or username. So just tap on it and just search someone like this. And as you can see, here's my friend. And just tap on follow back or follow. And that's it. Now you know how to add friends on Duolingo. If you have any issues, let me know. Thanks for watching and take care.